Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here, and welcome to the update on VeChain. Price on VeChain has recently broken down this horizontal channel. You can see that for the past several days, it was moving inside this channel. And by the way, this support of the channel was already working at a very long-term support and resistance level. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this support of 3.9 cents that was also working as a support of this channel was previously working as a support here for a few weeks and resistance here. And now again, for the past few weeks, it was working as a support. And if we take a look at the resistance of this horizontal channel at 5.6 cents, then you can see that previously it had been breaking as a resistance here. And here it was also breaking as a resistance. And here for a few weeks, it had been breaking as a support as well. And again, this time for the past several weeks, it was breaking as a very strong resistance for the price line of VeChain. And also it was breaking or as a resistance of this horizontal channel as well. And now after the breakdown from this horizontal channel, the target that I was telling you was here, approximately at 2.9 cents, and you can see that the price line has dropped more than that, approximately 2.7 cents, but recovered back, could not break down the next long-term support of 3.2 cents, and now it is gearing up. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this down channel. And on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And after the breakout, we had a very, very powerful pump. If I place this measurement tool from this to here, then you can see that it was almost 506% pump. And in today's video, we will also analyze this rally as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member, or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for VeChain, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup I shared on 12th of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of VeChain. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several days, it was moving inside this horizontal channel. And finally, we have broken down the support of the channel. And the price line is now dropped more than our expected targeted downside. It dropped up to 2.7 cents, and the expected technical target was approximately at 2.9 cents. But the price then could not break down this next long-term support of 3.2 cents. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 3.2 cents has been previously breaking as a resistance here, almost as a support here. And by the way, here it was also breaking as a resistance, and here as a resistance as well. And this time, again, despite this long spike, the price then could not break it down. And now, in case of another price reversal from here, it can again try to break out the previous support of the channel that can now again work as a resistance. That is, in fact, a very long-term support and resistance level that was previously working as a resistance here, and almost as a resistance here as well. And this time, you can see that the price then is getting bounced on the support. Despite this long spike, the price then could not break it out, and it is gearing up after testing this support. And now, if we take a look at the targets, you can see that we have already hit the target for the breakout from this channel that I was telling you even before the breakout was here at the top of the channel, approximately at 5.4 cents. And you can see that the price then has rallied beyond that target. But so far, the price then could not hit the target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And the long-term target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be somewhere between 26 cents to 30 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.